So today I'll be showing you how to create an Instagram reel using photos and videos from your phone's gallery. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is swipe across on the Instagram app and then choose reel. Now once you've selected reel at the bottom, you can now tap on this icon here, and that's going to open up your gallery from where you can pick photos and videos from your gallery and add them to the list. So if I long press, it's gonna allow me to pick more than one. So it says one, I'm gonna pick that. That's going to be two. And the order in which I select them is the same order in which they're going to appear in the Instagram reel. Now let's find some video clips. If I scroll down here, I might find a couple of video clips like this one here. That's a clip. That's another video clip, and that's another video clip, and then we have an image here. Okay, let's try and use a different image like that one. Okay, so once you've done selecting everything you want, you can now tap on next, and that's going to open up this page where it's going to suggest for you some audio. More often than not, you want to skip that, so just tap on skip, and there you have a sample of your Instagram reel. Okay, now from here you can add music, you can add text, stickers, filters, you can even add a voiceover to your Instagram reel, and then you can add some more clips, captions, and do whatever you need to do. Okay, now also if you tap on edit video, it opens the Instagram reel video editor. Now from here you can shorten some of the frames. So for instance, if you want this to appear for fewer seconds, you can shorten that, and you can go through the timeline and adjust everything you need to adjust in terms of length. And also if you want to reorder the clips, you can just tap on reorder, and then you can reorder the clips and arrange them exactly the way you want them to appear in the video, like that. And then once again you have the option to add stickers, to add audio. Of course, you can tap on audio by tapping here. And then once you're done with everything, you can now tap on next. And then now you can write your caption, tag people, add your location, do everything you need to do. And then eventually just go ahead and publish your Instagram reel. You can also add a cover photo for your Instagram reel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.